Hello, my name is Nakia, and I want to define elements of design in a decorator's voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And if those are topics that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications. Today is week 23 of the weekly declutter challenge, and this week we are decluttering our vehicles. And if you're like me and have some crumb snatchers, sometimes I have to do this vehicle decluttering more often than I should, but I digress. We'll talk about that at another time. So the first thing we're going to do is actually go in our vehicles, and we're going to have 2 trash bags or 2 boxes or 2 of anything. And let's go, and we're going to go through our glove compartment. You don't really need to have a million things in your glove compartment. You should have your registration, your insurance card, maybe your handicap placard or your children's placard to pick them up from school, things like that. Maybe the keys to your tires. Those things could be in your glove compartment. Easy to get to, bam, you're good to go. In your armrest, you may have some old wires, some auxiliary cords that you may not even need anymore, or some old chargers that don't work. Whatever you don't need, let's throw that in the trash, and let's properly dispose of things that we no longer need. Things that are trash, let's throw that in the trash. Now, one of the big things about me that I always have to have decluttered is under the seats, especially under the driver's seat. I remember probably 20 years ago, I watched an episode of The Simpsons where there was an orange or an apple or something. I think Homer Simpson or Marge Simpson was driving down the street, and they had a bag, I think groceries in the back seat, and it fell. And that apple went under the seat and it went to the brake, and they could not hit that brake. So that is a fear of mine, fear that has been unlocked forever. So you want to make sure that there's nothing under your seat, no old bottle of water or anything, hand sanitizer. Get rid of that. The under the seat should be completely empty for both. Now, last and definitely not least, and you actually may want to start this first, is your trunk. So there are many trunk organizers. You can get the kind that look like bags, or you can get the kind that look like the old-fashioned mail crates. But now, they have all these funky colors, and they're easy, they're collapsible. Whatever, just go ahead and just get whatever system you want and just utilize it. If you're the type of person that goes to Aldi or a place that does not have bags or carts, that will be a great place to keep it. Just have it organized. For me, in my trunk, I keep a wagon, and then I also keep 2 lawn chairs, because you'll be surprised how many times you go someplace and you need a lawn chair, or you decide to do something at the last minute. Having those lawn chairs in your trunk is great, but you need to have it organized because you need to have a spot for your groceries when you go grocery shopping. So for week 23, we are going to declutter and create systems in our trunks, whether it's in our glove compartment as well, and in our armrests. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got some tips, but please join the private Facebook group because we go into more details and get in depth with it. And don't forget to join my newsletter. I give tons of information in my newsletter. I send a newsletter out on Friday. It goes to your email box. And I actually have links to very important things. So if you trust me with your email, please go to the description box, and it shows you how to join my email newsletter. So if you want to join the community, there's also a blog post with information of things about the weekly declutter challenge, how to join it, and what to do. But basically, all you have to do is make a conscious effort to want to live in a clutter-free home. So, thank you very much for watching this video, and have a divine day. Goodbye.